Shanti. I am Archbishop Dr. Cynthia Adaoma Josephson from Nigeria. I am the youngest Archbishop in the world. Fate, destiny made it so. I was consecrated an Archbishop at age 30, and I am 33 years old now. I am happy to be with us here as I desire to know God more and more. I came in contact with Sister Dr. Me in Lagos, Nigeria, when she was awarded an award of which I was awarded too. We exchanged contacts, and she invited me on a peace day in Nigeria, Lagos. I was there. Baba's home in Nigeria is White House. And she told me about this program here in India. I have been in India before, New Delhi, but I've not been in this part of India. I told my husband I just met Sister Dr. Min, and he said he is inspired that I go, that Sister Dr. Min is a pure soul. He asked me to come, and I am here. You know what? I feel like I am with my family. I am so happy with the way things are going. Everybody accepted me. They are seeing me as sisters. The love, the unity. If we go this way, I think and I believe the whole world will come to the knowledge of truth, unity, peace. Thank you, and God bless you.
And I request Dadiji to have a felicitation of Archbishop with shawl and memento.